Oh, my grandma's crusty toe. They don't even understand me. But when I go down the street, they will see my green crusty toe. And they'll stink so bad they'll make myself get stuck. I mean, I have green, nasty, crusty toes. It was so nasty, people wouldn't even go to the taxi cab to get some taxi money. Because I stood right beside the taxi cab because I didn't even get no taxi. The taxi got out of the car and left. So I just got me a new taxi. I drove the car and stole it. Oh, goose kid. I tell you, I walk everywhere and everybody runs. I went up to a mansion guy. He had a brand new Lamborghini. I said, excuse me, can you please get out of the car and help me with my groceries? And he got out. He's like, oh, man, what is that awful smell? That smell was nasty. It's my green crusty toe. I got some health problems, and I stink, and I smell like a skunk. And there's green, nasty smoke gas come out of my ass, and I need some vegetables. I'm sorry, ma'am, I can't help you. Oh, that's awful. That awful smell. Oh, that nasty smell. You know what, man, here's the keys. You can have my Lamborghini. See ya. I'm like, oh, man, I got me a brand new Lamborghini. I didn't really have to steal it. Oh, nasty. I remember I walked down there and I asked this policeman, excuse me, policeman, can you ask me a very question? Ma'am, you just told me to ask you a question. How can I? You're confusing me, ma'am. Well, can you get me a little closer? Okay, ma'am. Now, you ain't got no guns. Now, why would an old lady have some guns? Oh, you are so generous. Oh, yeah, you're right. You're totally right. I'm gonna shoot you when that funny sleep goes through the gun if you don't move. I'm a gangster of all doors, troll gangsters. I'm a superhero gangster of all troll gangsters. I'm gonna shoot you with my funny sleep. Ghost, nasty, stink bullet gun if you don't move. Well, I never heard of a ghost bullet gun before. Well, you ain't seen Super White Shaggy, right? He gave me this gun, and he's gonna shoot you on the left. He's over on the left, and we're gonna steal your cop car. Super White Shaggy's gonna steal your cop car, and I am. I'm Grandma Crustody Troll, Wicked Witch of the West, Doris, and I am here to steal your cop car. You got a problem with that, Boosie? All right. You scared me. You're nasty. You smell like a pickle. You gross woman. Get away from me. You know what? I'm gonna stink you up. Hey, yeah, I'm gonna stink you up. I'm gonna blow my green gas all over you, and you're gonna be stinking like a nasty pickle by the time I get done. A nasty pickle. By the time I get done, you'll be a nasty pickle. You know what I'm saying, Bozzy? Let me take my glasses off. Oh, wow, sweetness. Yeah, let me take my glasses back on here. Yeah. I know I'm sexy. Oh, hey, how you doing there? Wow, you want to touch my breast? My breast it is. Wakabaroosies. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, Bookie. Ah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.